Hello everyone, welcome to GV Ready Automation World. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe to it to enable notification for future ongoing videos. Right, today is we are continuing on 30 days Selenium challenge. Right, day 3. If you haven't watched the previous videos, please go and watch. Right, day 3 Selenium challenge is how to handle dynamically loading elements. Right, some elements are loaded right after clicking on the button right while entering the text. Right, some of the elements will be loaded. How to handle those things? How to handle dynamically loading elements? Okay, we'll see that. Right, okay, this is the one of the website. Right, right here we have a multiple things. Right, see, this is the collapsible div. If you mouse over, it will come. Right, if you mouse move away, it will collapse. Right, there might be a scenario you will get. Right, how to handle this? Right, whether it is expanding or not. Right, whether it is expanding or not. And then form. Right, in form we can enter some name, click on the submit. Right, after some time it is coming username Bob submission button. I want to validate this. Right, this is coming through JavaScript. Right, it is taking some time to load. Right, display. How to handle. And then buttons, there are some buttons are there. If you click, it will come first button. If you click second one, it will come next one. If you click third one, it will come fourth one. Right, it is taking some time to come. Right, we have to wait until that. Right, right, like this. Message simulator. Right here, right, some messages are going on. Right, we have to wait until it becomes a 0. Right, so that if message is 0 means all messages are sent. And short-lived events, right, like this. See, we have to wait until these are all completed. Right, this progress bar is completed. We have to wait until it's how to do it. Right, I will explain one thing. You can practice remaining. Right, I will take this form. I will take this form. Right, and then enter some name. Right, something automation. Okay, then click on it and validate whether automation is coming or not. Right, how to do it? Right, okay, let me create okay, day 3 and then class something handle dynamic elements. Okay, I will create a one test case. Right, public void handle dynamic elements test. Okay, fine. Then we can quickly create the driver object. Driver equal to new, right, Chrome driver, and then close the driver. Okay, now driver dot get open the URL. This is the form.html. Okay, once it is opened, we have to identify this element. How to right click inspect. Right, what is the, it has a name. It has a name. Right, it has a name. then driver dot find element by dot name, right, by dot name dot send keys, right, just I'm sending automation. Then we have to click on the submit button, right, driver dot find element, right, submit button, inspect it. What it has, we can take type or value, right, I am taking the value, right, by dot css selector, okay, by dot css selector square brackets, we have to do that, then dot click on it, right, once I clicked on it, right, I have to verify whether it is coming automation or not, right, it has a date, right, I want to get this element and then get the attribute and validate, okay, fine, driver dot find element by dot css locator, right, square brackets, right. Okay, now first we will execute this, we'll see what is happening, click on run, right, here I don't have any, right, wait mechanism, right, we'll see is it work or not, okay, and just okay, see it is loaded, but what is the problem here, let's see, no such element, unable to locate the element, because wait, what is happening after clicking, immediately it is trying to find the element, and right, but there is no element, right, it is taking some time to load, right, we can resolve by using thread.select, right, but that is a hard code, that is not the preferred one, right, hard waits are not preferred one, right, sometime it will work, sometime not work, right, then we can go with the implicit wait, right, but implicit wait is a global wait, it will affect all the elements, right, implicit wait is a global wait, it is applicable for all the elements, right, it will affect all the elements, so instead of that we can go with the explicit wait, right, how to create explicit wait, WebDriver wait, right, explicit wait equal to new WebDriver wait, pass the driver object, and what is the duration of seconds, just I will keep it as a 10 seconds. Then see here, now after writing the explicit wait, now the mistake, lot of people will do mistake, right, here what they will do, element dot until, right, expected conditions dot visibility of element, right, now what is the problem here, right, I will execute and let you know, right, here we have created the WebDriver explicit wait object, and then we are waiting for the element, but still, right, what is the issue here, still we will get the issue, right, why we will get, I will explain, let's see, still we are getting the no such element exception, and still we are getting no such element, why we are getting, see first we are here, a lot of people will do this mistake, I observe, right, we are first finding the element, here itself we will get exception, then you are waiting for it, right, first you are trying to find element, what it will do, it will go to website and trying to find, but it is not loaded, Then after getting element there is no use, right? Once we are getting element means it is already loaded, then no need to wait. So before this only we need to wait, right? Before identifying the element we need to wait. Then how to wait? By using the by locator, right? By using the by locator we need to wait it. We can create the some, right, by locator something, okay, username, right? Then explicit wait until visibility of, right, visibility of element located, visibility of element look. Once it is identified, wait for this element, then find the element, then find the element. This is the correct way, right? Then find the element. Then we want to validate asset equal to, I want to validate what is that, whether name is automation, whatever input we have given that is coming or not, that I want to validate. Then one way we can do like this, or we can write wait also element dot get attribute, element dot get a DOM attribute, right? Now in Selenium 4 they have changed it, instead of get attribute get a DOM attribute. Right, what is the DOM attribute here? I want a data value, right? Data value should be automation. Alright, now we'll run it. Now I will run it. Okay, wait, okay, it is loading. Gets opening website. Now see it got passed. Now, right, we have properly handled that dynamically loaded element. Right, like this we can handle the, right, dynamically loaded elements. Right, just to try. There are multiple things here. Just please try. Right, if you are unable to do, please comment in the comment section. I will explain those how to handle. You can handle this collapsible div, right? Button synchronization. First click on the start, wait for 1. Click on the 1, wait for 2. Click on the 2, wait for 3. Similarly, message simulator. You should wait until it becomes a 0. Right, you should wait until both becomes 0. And short-lived events, you should wait until these completed, right, until this completed. Try this and let me know in the comments, are you able to write the program for this or not. If not, I will explain it in the next class. Right, please subscribe to the channel, enable notification for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching.